Hi everyone, this is Lena. Welcome to Lena's Home Creation, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys here, and if you like this project, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So for this craft I have two different size frames. These are old frames that they were just sitting in my cupboard, and I decided I'm going to give them a quick makeover. So what I've done is I've inserted one inside the other, but you can do different types of variation, and I'm just going to use hot glue as it sticks quite well and it's very quick. So I'm just going to leave a bead of hot glue all around the larger frame. So now you just quickly turn the frame over and place the smaller frame inside, or you can do it the other way, put the smaller frame on top of the larger frame, so it's the opposite end. So this is how I'm going to have my frame look. It just makes it more detailed, and then I'm going in with the matte black, or you guys call it flat black, and I'm just going to give that a quick spray, just one coat, making sure that there's an even coverage, and then I'm just going to leave that to dry in the sun. So while my frames are drying, I've chosen something from the internet, and I'm going to print out a picture, or if you have any other pictures, just place one into your frame. But in the meantime, I'm playing with ginger while my frames are drying and while I'm printing off my picture. So I'm just going to give the glass a quick clean now that my frames are dry, and I'm going to measure the picture out that I've chosen and just cut that and fit that to the frames. So that's quick and easy, simple, and that's the picture that I've chosen, and very farmhousey. And I'm also going to choose some Scrabble letters, and I'm going to choose two words, and I'm then going to use some antique wax to darken them because they are white, or you can just leave them white, but I think a little bit of rusticness will just make the frame pop. So I'm just rearranging my letters out. I've spelt happy home. I think that's appropriate for us here, and I'm just aligning them, making sure how I want them. You could space them out or put them close together. And now that I've decided where I want them, I'm just going to use the antique wax to stain them slightly, and then I will hot glue these into place. So as I had my frame upside down on my table, it scratched it slightly and some of the old colour has come through on the black. So what I did was I sprayed some of the paint into the lid, and I'm just using a fine brush to touch up my frame where it scratched on the table. And this is how my frame has turned out, and all I next to do is just place my frame on the shelf, and this is how it looks. So if you've got any old frames, this is a beautiful craft and easy to do, and just gives them a new facelift, and they look quite chunky and it's beautiful. So if you enjoyed this craft, again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon for some easy on the budget crafts. Bye, thanks for watching.